Hello and welcome to another episode. Today we are going to learn how to divide fractions. We are going to learn how to divide fractions. Okay, so let's look at a few examples. We are having 4 over 2 divided by 1 over 3. How do you divide this? The first thing you do is to maintain the first fraction, which is 4 over 2. Then you change the division sign to multiplication. Then you reciprocate the other fraction. So the 3 will now go to the top. Once the 1 comes down. So you have 3 over 1. So when you have 4 times 3 will give you 12. All over 2 times 1 will give you 2. So 2 go into each of 1 and go here 6 times. So your final answer is 6. Okay. Let's look at another example. Alright, so we have another example on the board. We have 9 over 6 dividing 3 over 2. So what do? We maintain the first fraction, so we have 9 over 6. We change the sign to multiplication and reciprocate the other fraction, so we have 2 over 3 now. We multiply the top, so you have 9 times 2. Then down you have 6 times 3. 9 times 2 will give us what? 18. 6 times 3 will give us what? 18. So what do? 18 can go into each of 1, go here 1. So the final answer is 1 over 1, which is the same as 1. We also have another example on the board. We have 2 over 4 dividing 4 over 3. What do? You maintain the first fraction, which is 2 over 4. Then you change the sign to multiplication, and then we state the last fraction, which is what? 3 over 4. Now you multiply the top ones. 2 by 3, you have 2 times 3 all over 4 times 4. So you have 4 times 4. 2 by 3 will give us 6 all over 4 times 4 will give us 16. Is there any number that can divide both? Yes. 3 can go here 3 times and 3 can go here how many times? 8 times. So therefore you'll be having 3 over 8 as your final answer. I'm going to give you 2 examples that you solve on your own and submit your answer into the comment section. Okay. Let's look at the 2 examples we are having on the board. We have 4 over 9 divided by 2 over 5. Then the second example question for you is 14 over 8 divided by 7 over 4. So you pause the video and solve the 2 examples on the board. Okay. When you are done, you submit your answers into the comment section below. Okay, welcome back. So let's solve the first one together. We will be having 4 over 9. As usual, you are going to change the division sign to multiplication. Then we reciprocate the second fraction. So your 5 will come up and then your 2 will be at the down. Okay. At this stage, you may decide to cancel. 2 can go here 1 time and go here 2 times. If you want it that way, you are good to go. So 2 will cancel itself 1 time, and the same 2 will go into 4 how many times? 2 times. Therefore, you'll be having 2 times the 5 remaining. Then you have the 9 here times this one. So at the down, you have 2 times this will give you 10 over 9 times 1 give you 9. So this is your final answer. Let's look at the other one side. So with this one, we maintain the first one, which is 14 over 8. Then we change the sign to multiplication. Then we reciprocate the other fraction. So you have the 4 at the top and then 7 at the down. Likewise, let's try and cancel a few things before we move on so that will be easy for us. 7 can go into 7 1 time, and 7 can go into 14 how many times? 2 times. 4 can go into 4 how many times? 1 time, and 4 can go into 8 how many times? 2 times. So now you're going to use these numbers instead of the first one. What do we have remaining there? You'll be having 2 times 1. All over the down ones, you have 2 times 1. So when you come down, you should be having 2 over 2, which is the same as 2 cancel here 1 and cancel here, which is the same as 1 over 1, and yet are the same as what? 1 whole number for your final answer. So your answer then is 1. Okay. Thank you so much for being part of today's episode. I'll see you again in our next episode. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so and share the link to your colleagues. Comment the number of questions you've gotten correctly in the comment section. Thank you, and I'll see you again. Bye.